Aren't you tired of computers having all the RAM you need? Your machine is too fast and it's probably too powerful. Sometimes all you need is a board that can barely do anything. That's DeskHog, our first developer toy. DeskHog is your introduction to the wild world of microcontrollers, putting a tiny computer in the palm of your hand. Instead of picture-perfect injection molding, boom, DeskHog is made on 3D printers. Yay, by a real PostHog employee, shirking his other duties. Build anything with DeskHog. Tools, notifications, games. The power is yours, unless it doesn't fit within 500k of RAM. DeskHog connects to Wi-Fi, keeps you company, shows you PostHog data, and also helps you waste time. With limited power come surprising opportunities. Order now at 989 PostHog and get your hands on one today. You done?